Hey everybody, my name is Bob and I'm with Novatto. I'm here today, I'm going to talk to you about one of our most exciting and newest stone vessel sink additions that we have to our lineup. It is the NOSV-CWN, and it is a natural Carrera white stone marble sink. And I'm just going to highlight a couple of product features and some bullet points for you, give you just a quick overview of it. So first of all, it is 17 inches round, as you can see, and it's a solid 3/4 inches thick. So it's a really solid, durable sink, and it's weighing in at a solid about 38, 39 pounds, somewhere in there. So it's a solid piece of stone. The inside is polished, as you can see here, but the really exciting part is, check this out, on the bottom, it's chiseled. So it's just natural stone that's been chiseled, but you get a lot of really cool character just on the exterior. So it's got, just like marble does, you can kind of see a little bit of a sparkle in there, but it's really cool on the underside. And then of course the bottom is flat, and that's just to help with your installation. You'll just need adhesive on the bottom, mounting ring, anything like that. It's going to sit flat on your countertop, just like so, if that was your counter. Back to the inside, you're going to see it is polished. As I mentioned previously, you'll still want to probably seal it just like you would your granite countertop. You know, it is very smooth, but basically polishing it is nice, but along with polishing it, you'll certainly want to seal it just to help eliminate any water spotting, or if you have hard water problems in your area, it's basically going to help just with a little bit of maintenance for you. On the installation note, you're going to want a umbrella drain, and there's two reasons for that. One is it's a little bit longer in the threading just to help get through the countertop, because it is a pretty thick stone vessel and it does not have an overflow, as this sink does not either. So as I was mentioning, design wise, it's a really unique, kind of a modern vessel sink, but it could also be used in a Victorian setting, something like that. It's just a really neat piece that we just added to our lineup. So that's kind of a wrap. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.